viewers, so today I'm replacing the rear right actuator on the 2300 Accord, and that's because it's actually bad. So it started giving signs of I'll unlock or lock the door with my key fob, and all other doors would unlock or lock as the case may be, while this one would sometimes lock, or other times it comes up halfway, or it doesn't, or it doesn't respond at all. So those are signs of a weak actuator, and you're going to see how to replace that today. Easy job, really. So, and we'll start by taking out this panel. So, and the first thing to do is you take out this plastic here. There are two screws holding two screws behind this. Then you also take out this one here. So to take out this, so that tab, use a flat tip screwdriver, depress it, and this doesn't seem to be the right screwdriver for that, but depress that and that comes out. Same goes here. Lift up this mat, and that's it. Undo that, take out the other two screws, and we'll move to the next phase. So once those screws are out, use a flat tip screwdriver, pry up. It's just held by tabs, so just work your way round, release all the tabs, and panel is ready to come out. So again, once the tabs are out, you just need to lift. So that is out, but it's still going to be held by two things. So I'll move the camera to give you a better view. So the first is this cable that controls the locking mechanism. So to slide this out, just push back on this plastic tab that holds it. That's out. You lift it out. And the last thing is this, the wiring for the electric windows. It's just your normal electric connection, which if you disconnect, comes out. Once this is out, it's the next phase, which you just need to start peeling back this waterproof lining. So it's held by a very tough glue, and if you pull back on it, you would end up tearing this material. So what I usually do, I just use a razor blade, right? I just use a razor blade. So let me give you a better view of what I'm doing. So I just use a razor blade, peel back, and then cut the glue. Some other people have talked about using a heating gun, heat up the glue and peel back, but I found that very cumbersome. I think this has worked the best for me. So I would want to peel back this entire this for the top. This may really not be necessary for what we're doing, but I just like having ample space. We'll take this out. So that's for the door lock, right? We'll go out. What next? Next are these 3 screws. So I've done an earlier video on how to remove them because mine were jammed in pretty bad. So I'm going to post a link to that video on the screen just in case yours are pretty tight. You would have to remove this as well. So we need to remove these tabs. Same goes for this one. To walk blind. So, a few more things holding it this way, which I can't see at the moment. I'll probably take this out just for you. Okay, so it's out. Yeah. So I must say that this is pretty easier than the front sorry. This is pretty easier than the front actuator. So yeah. So I'll need to take this out from there, but first let me take out this electric connector. Okay. That is out. So you need to take the these cables out of this black plastic, then take off the black plastic by, there's this tab here, depress and pull out. So it looks like I figured this out. So on the back side of the door lock, so there's a single screw there, which is here. So you just undo that screw. So once you undo that, just pull back. And that casing should be out. Casing is out, right. So you take out this nut and your actuator is free. So that's free. Then you take out this, make this out of this groove. So and that's out. So you just simply depress this part. Or better, I think it's to take the whole thing out. So for taking it out, you just hold this piece, then push this piece forward. See, that's coming out. So and it's out. Then you can take this out. And that is out. So door lock actuator out. So I was going to say that the rest of this video is in reverse. However, I wanted to show, so I've already put my new actuator in, and I wanted to cover just this little bit so that you don't make the same mistake that I just found out that I made. So this slot, this groove here, needs to fit on this. So you fit that in, right? Okay, hold on. So this white thing needs to fit within this, and then this fits here. So both of them are aligned now. So you push that in. So that ensures that when you see, when the actuator clicks, it's able to move this piece. And quite frankly, if you can see what's happening here, so you can see doorknob is going up and down. So thank you very much, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, drop them in the comment section. If you need any further help, please let me know. Thank you very much, and do subscribe. Thanks.